of Christmas ornaments. We are on day 5, which is the 3D star. There is 4 dots marked on the top of this stabilizer. The dots are used for markers, so that way you know where your vinyl needs to cover it up. So if your vinyl does not cover up those dots, more than likely your pattern will be outside that area. Just to help you, these are markers. You will put a piece of vinyl to cover up the front and the back before you put it underneath your machine. You will also repeat this step when you do the second half.
Machine down just a little bit because I believe it's just a little too fast. Let's cut my tail. And let's start this back up. But I don't like it going fast, especially when you got really slick fabric on there. It's really hard to see, but once we get it all stitched out, you'll see what I'm talking about. Don't that look amazing? Now it's going to do the next stitch. It's just going to double it up to make it thicker. So that way it'll hold together very well. That is done. That's step 1.
12 Days of Christmas Ornament Challenge. The hosts of this challenge is Jackie from Mimi's World and Melissa at Melissa DIY.
It's actually really hard to see. I used white thread so that way it wouldn't show up, but that's the back. And this is the front. It's going to be a 3D star. So this is the first part of that step. Now let's do the top part. So I will be back shortly. Here's the back. Here's another little trick. So when you put it down the first time, if you don't have it right, you move it over to where you can see it through the actual stabilizer. I am using tearaway stabilizer, just so that way you guys know what I'm using. But now we can see where the vinyl is, and it will be, because the whole embroidery design will be inside of that area. Going outside of it, we know we're in a safe zone to do our embroidery design. All right, I'm going to glue the other one, and then we're going to start the machine up again. So I will be back. now we're going to take everything out of the stabilizer, or off the hoop and in the stabilizer, and trim everything. So I'll be back. They're both cut out, but you can see I did not cut out the center area. You want to be really careful with that. You don't want to cut any extra fabric out. You just want to cut the slit, and you want to adjust it just a little bit at a time so that way they fit in perfectly. So right now I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to merge them together. Now listen to this. Do not throw any of your scrap vinyl away, because you know those little tiny pieces that are in this area. I have a new project for that in the other Christmas ornaments that we have going on our website, that I'll use those little pieces. So it's going to be really cool. Can't wait to shoot the video on that. We are going to have a Black Friday special coming out, and this ornament will be part of that. So let me cut it. Be very delicate when you cut it in between that groove, because you're going to slide them into each other, and it'll be really cool. So I'll be right back and show you that. This looks extremely cool. Just think of that on your Christmas tree. Turn it around, and especially with the...
I also want to thank everybody for watching my video, and please look at the playlist because there's lots more to view. Thank you. 12 days.
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay, I'll